Yes, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, from wherever you're watching from. This is me here in Kenya, Evansi. I'm at home. This is morning hours. It's almost 6:30 a.m. morning. See, the sun has not listened. You're there.
Yeah.
Yeah. What you kwa wadri kwa nyumiro?
Bado.
Eh? Utakeiro twara abantu bwana ga. Eh? 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 Agora. Kumele kwabokire mbia wana. Para ga yenga ibu tara wana para gochi. Yeah, this is the Lord from home to the town center of Bumburia. So this is my place, this is my home here. This is a main road, Amuram Road, which is constructed heavily. These are our neighbors here. You can see them. Our neighbors. We are farmers here, plant maize and so many other agricultural stuffs. Oh, yeah, these are our uncles here and cousins. That place you see on top there is called Emanga. It is the highest place in our place, not even a hill or a mountain, but it is like a hill, let me say. We call it Emanga. Yeah, these are our neighbors. School my time, brother Kogan. What am I going to school? Oh no, go Mugago man and Tra Mugak. Agia Congo Kinai. Eh? Okwero Mugaga, you are saying you are very old, but you are not old. You are still very young. Your age is not even of like me. I'm older than you. And you are calling yourself very old. You are not old yet. If you have 30 years is not that old. I'm 40 years. It means 40 years. When you going to make a gun? Yeah, this is my friend, a neighbor. You can see he's a handsome, he's a nice guy here. Always smiling. Yes, this is home, wonderful home. These are my neighbors here. Don't ask whether this town, but this is not town, this is a village. People build good houses in the village. Eh? Yes, this is my uncle. My uncle. Eh? My uncle is very short, but it's my uncle. Eh? What have you tell?
I'm Bernard Ondijo.
Yes.
Up on the home.
Yeah, it's Bernard here. It's my uncle, but very short. It's my uncle. I respect him so much. Na muheshimu sana ni uncle yangu. So unajua huwezi kosa kuheshimu uncle yako. Eh.
Kabisa.
Yeah, kabisa. So thanks so much. This is our area. This is not the main road. That's it's from here. It connects the main road. It's like 600 meters from here to the highway, but it is constructed. Yeah, the tarmac one. So thanks so much. When you reach there, you ask Onyangi ama Evanso press. You can be given a direction up to home here. Thanks so much for watching this morning. We are still making another video for you guys. So bye bye.